Hello everyone. Let me introduce you to my trusty old folding saw. It's been with me for a while, but as you can see, it's definitely seen better days. Next, I'm taking a simple wooden block and using it as a temporary guide against the saw blade. Just take a look at the teeth. They've lost their sharpness and are a mess. This isn't going to be cutting anything effectively in this state. The blade is dull, and the teeth are worn out from countless hours of work. This dull, inefficient saw, which barely makes a dent in wood, and show you how to transform it into a razor-sharp cutting machine that slices through timber like butter. To properly set the saw teeth, I need a precise tool. I'm taking a simple metal bolt, securing it in my vise, and using a hacksaw to carefully cut a small notch into its end. I'll need to transform this into a specialized tool for setting the saw teeth, which is crucial for achieving a clean and efficient cut. This notch will allow me to consistently bend each saw tooth to the correct angle, which is crucial for preventing the blade from binding during cuts. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. This is a delicate process, ensuring each tooth is slightly bent outwards, creating this set that allows the blade to pass through the wood without getting stuck. To ensure accuracy, I use a felt tip pen to mark along the saw blade. I will mark the saw teeth in a staggered manner. Next, I'm clamping the saw blade in my vise to hold it steady. I'm now going through each tooth, using my custom tool to carefully reset the alternating teeth. This step is vital because if the teeth aren't set correctly, the saw won't cut straight and it'll bind in the wood. It takes patience, but the results are worth it. I'm continuing to work my way down the entire length of the blade, making sure every tooth is set consistently. This meticulous step ensures that the saw will cut smoothly and without getting stuck, drastically improving its performance. Now that the teeth are set, it's time to sharpen them. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm using a file to carefully sharpen the top edge of the saw teeth. This is where we create a clean, flat cutting surface that will drastically improve the saw's efficiency. Now that one side is done, I'm removing the guide to prepare for the other side. You can already see a noticeable difference in the teeth's sharpness and uniformity, which is exactly what we're aiming for. I've repositioned the wooden guide and secured it with the clips, this time for the opposing angle of the teeth. I'm repeating the filing process on this side, making sure every tooth is sharpened from both directions to achieve a balanced and extremely effective cutting edge. This dual sharpening is what gives the saw its superior cutting ability. And there you have it. Our saw is now completely transformed. Look at how beautifully uniform and sharp each tooth is. This is a far cry from the dull blade we started with. I'm putting our newly sharpened saw to the test on the same piece of wood from earlier. Watch how easily it glides through, creating a clean cut with minimal effort. The difference is absolutely incredible. It's like a brand new saw. And look at that. The saw glides through the wood effortlessly, leaving a clean, smooth cut in a fraction of the time it took before. This homemade tool works perfectly. I'm also testing it on this round wooden dowel, and it's cutting like butter. This project truly proves that with a little creativity, you can bring old tools back to life. This DIY sharpening process truly works wonders. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tools you'd like to see me restore. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.